In this video, we're going to be discussing the compatibility between Cameo Enterprise Architecture and Cameo Systems Modeler. Both of them are 2021X. So for this video, we will be focused on the tool aspect rather than the language and methodology, and we will give an example in simulation. So what we have here on the left side of the screen, we have Cameo Enterprise Architecture 2021X, and on the right side of the screen, we have Cameo Systems Modeler 2021X. And what we've done is we've opened a sample model on both EA and Systems Modeler, and that is the same file that you're seeing on both screens. So this is the SysML examples model that we've opened. It says it's the MD zip, which both EA and Systems Modeler uses. It was originally created in EA, and you can see that it opened just fine, and you can edit it just fine on Systems Modeler. Now, for this example, we do not have it connected on Teamwork Cloud. It's just on the local machine. But if you have a Teamwork Cloud, you can use, as long as they're the same version, 2021X, or whatever other version you have between Systems Modeler and EA, as long as they're the same, you can use Teamwork Cloud and it work together and make commits. So moving forward to the example, we have a doctor's waiting room and we just want to run a simulation, and I'll run it on both sides of the screen here. So we're saying there's a correlation between number of magazines to the wait time that you would have to wait for the doctor to see you. So you would count the number of magazines in your room, right, like 20, and then you would see the result of 31. And we'll just do the same thing here, and you see that it works. So proof of concept that both of these work together, or not necessarily together, they work separately, but the model can be opened in both EA and Systems Modeler. And what we're running right now, plugin manager wise on EA is this, and on Systems Modeler we've got this. So we've got, to run simulations, you have to have the simulation toolkit, which you're seeing there. You can see this is 2021X refresh 2, and then on here we have simulation toolkit refresh 2021X refresh 1. So they are compatible. I would say that it is, to make sure you're compatible, I would have the same version, but you can see in this case it did work. So good to know. And then out of the box, Cameo Enterprise Architecture has a lot more features, referring to like DODAF, MODAF, TOGAF, UAF, UPDM, that sort of stuff, while Systems Modeler does not have that out of the box. You would have to buy the plugin, purchase the plugin, and then add that plugin, and then you could have all those features, UPDM, UAF, etc. So, and they are compatible. It's just a matter of making sure that your plugin selection and purchase is correct. So, hope that helps.